Sophie, good morning. Where are we going?
Zoo.
Where?
Zoo.
Zoo? Xander, where are we going? What are we going to do at the zoo?
I was going to answer that.
Well, then what are we going to do at the zoo?
We're going to paint and make an owl.
But what are we having with the animals?
Breakfast.
Breakfast with the animals! Yay! And we're approaching the zoo. How's everybody doing?
Bless you.
Great.
Here's the zoo.
Run.
Go, guys.
Come on, Xander.
Let's have breakfast with the animals.
We're going to the zoo. That's what I am.
Penguin?
That's what I am.
Naka?
Flowers. Flowers.
All right, let's go eat. There's Mommy.
Hi.
Hi. Come on, guys.
What's for you?
Oh, thank you, Xander.
Xander, can I have one? And that's for Mommy. That's... Thank you. And that's you, Mom.
Okay, I'll go. I'll just share yours.
All right.
You want orange juice?
I want to go to the zoo.
And hey, Xander, do you want a muffin?
Yeah. A tiger.
What, Xander?
Tiger. A tiger.
Yeah, we'll go see that in a minute. Here's Bambi with.
Red.
And how old is
Red
Red?
is 13.
Wow. And Sophie is eating with the animals, although he's not eating.
When you're done eating, if you want to touch them again.
Yeah.
There. Well, he's a cutie. Okay. Be real gentle, Xander.
Let's go. Let's go.
Y'all having fun?
Yeah. I mean, I stay a long time.
Huh?
Long time. A favorite. Dad, we're going to see all the animals, right?
Yeah. Wow.
No, come here.
Oh, look at that, Xander.
You have to walk to the exit. Look up, Xander. Look. Look at the birds flying. Look at the pink one. You see the pink one?
Wow, inside the aviary.
I cut it.
Don't tear it up, Bubby.
I won't.
Look, I got some
more
white for you. Oh, wait, put some more stuff on it, though. Do more stuff. That white? Can put on there? More glue.
And the owl's coming along nicely. Sophie's been working on it diligently. That's great, Sophie. Do you have a name yet for the owl? What is it? Sophie? Sophie, what's the name of the owl? Oh, you have it written down. Buster, that's great. What a cute little owl.
I'm not sure what he thinks about the iPad there.
I know.
Like, oh.
Over in the light, sweetie. And here is Sophie with her finished art project, Buster the Owl. Let's see it, Sophie. Sophie? There we go. All right, there it is. What, Xander?
I love the zoo.
You love the zoo?
Yeah.
Yeah, we had a good time, didn't we?
I want to stay here.
I know. We had a good time with breakfast with the animals. Sophie, did you have a good time? Let me see your artwork one more time. That's great. Did you have a good time? Did you?
But now I'm exhausted.
You're exhausted. All right.